Hello guys, welcome to our channel American Money School. Our today's topic is why the financial systems is confusing on purpose.
Imagine this. You open a credit card offer in the mail. It promises asterisk 0% APR asterisk, cashback rewards asterisk, and asterisk no annual fee. But buried in asterisk page 6 of the terms asterisk is a clause that could cost you asterisk hundreds of dollars. Suddenly, you realize something shocking. The financial system isn't confusing by accident, asterisk it's confusing on purpose. Today, we're breaking down asterisk why banks and credit card companies make money confusing, and how you can protect yourself. The financial industry is one of the asterisk most profitable in America. Credit card companies, banks, and lenders make asterisk billions each year. But where does that money come from? It primarily comes from interest charges, late fees, overdraft fees, and hidden terms. The uncomfortable truth is, the more confused customers are, the more money the system makes. If everyone fully understood finance, many profits would disappear. Now, think about a typical asterisk credit card agreement. It can be asterisk 30 to 50 pages long asterisk filled with complex terms. Most people never read it fully. Even if they try, the legal jargon is hard to understand. This is a strategy called asterisk information asymmetry asterisk, where one side knows much more than the other. Banks know the system. Customers don't. This imbalance creates profit. Let's discuss one of the biggest tricks, the asterisk minimum payment. Imagine a asterisk $5,000 credit card balance asterisk and a statement that says your minimum payment is asterisk $120. Sounds manageable, right? But if you only make the minimum payment, it could take asterisk over 20 years to pay off the debt asterisk and lead to paying asterisk thousands in interest. Why promote minimum payments? Because they asterisk keep people in debt longer asterisk, which means more interest for lenders. Next, consider asterisk overdraft fees. Suppose your balance is asterisk $5 asterisk and you buy a coffee for asterisk $6. Instead of declining, the bank approves it and charges a asterisk $35 overdraft fee. A asterisk $1 mistake asterisk turns into asterisk $35 in fees. This simple approach generates asterisk billions every year asterisk because overdraft fees are asterisk incredibly profitable asterisk for banks. Here's another surprising truth. Most schools in America asterisk don't teach personal finance. Students learn algebra and history, but not how to handle credit or investments. The financial system benefits from asterisk uninformed consumers. Misunderstandings lead to costly mistakes, filling the pockets of the industry. Financial institutions also use asterisk psychology. For example, asterisk 0% APR offers asterisk initially seem attractive. However, once the intro period ends, interest rates can jump to asterisk 25% or higher. Similarly, buy now, pay later asterisk makes borrowing appear harmless but encourages spending beyond one's means. And asterisk rewards programs asterisk lure people into spending more for cashback. Now here's the most crucial part. You can asterisk win the money game. Here are powerful rules to follow. Asterisk rule number 1. Always pay your credit card in full, asterisk. This avoids interest charges. Asterisk rule number 2. Ignore minimum payments, asterisk. Always exceed the minimum to cut debt faster. Asterisk rule number 3. Understand interest, asterisk. It can be your asterisk greatest enemy in debt asterisk or your asterisk best friend in investing. Asterisk rule number 4. Invest early. Compound growth favors early investors, even with small amounts. Lastly, remember, the financial system isn't designed for everyone to be wealthy. It focuses on making institutions profitable. But when you grasp the rules, you stop being the one paying excess fees. Instead, you transition into someone who builds wealth. If you want to learn more about credit cards avoid debt traps or how to invest and build wealth subscribe to American Money School. We break down money, investing, and financial freedom in the simplest way possible. And remember, the more you understand money, the less the system can take from you. See you in the next video.